On today's menu, a humble noodle dish that has extraordinary flavors. Simply delicious, Hakka Noodles. Lei hong ma, that's how's it going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Yeung. The flavors in this noodle recipe is absolutely mind-blowing. It's so delicious and it doesn't take very long to make. As always, if you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let's begin. Bring some water to boil for the noodles. Thinly slice half a red onion. You can use a white onion if that's what you have on hand. I find the red onion has a subtle sweet flavor and it adds some nice color to the dish. Finally chop 2 to 3 pieces of garlic. This recipe makes enough for about 1 generous portion. Thinly slice about 115 grams of cabbage. The cabbage adds body, a subtle sweet flavor, and a really nice fresh crunch that goes extremely well alongside the noodles. This recipe is quite versatile. You can also use thinly sliced matchstick carrots for that nice crunch as well. Thinly slice about 1/4 of a red bell pepper. The red bell pepper adds into that nice fresh crunchiness and will add some natural sweetness as well. Roughly chop 1 stick of green onion. Green onions add a nice freshness and delightful aroma. These noodles are the same kind I would use to make a Cantonese style chow mein. They're fantastic in a stir fry, but this is one of those recipes where there's a million different variations, and like I always say, this is not the only way of making this recipe, it's simply just one way. Non-stick pan. Medium-low heat. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Half teaspoon fennel seeds. Half teaspoon chili flakes. Toast the seeds for about a minute or so. This will get it started, releasing its awesome aroma. Transfer the spices to a pestle and mortar. Coarsely crush the spices. It doesn't need to be a fine powder. This is a smoky little spicy chili oil made from a past episode. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out, make it really easily at home. Heat up the pan to medium heat, then add in 1 tablespoon of chili oil. By the way, if you love easy delicious recipes like I do, be sure to check out or pick up your copy at one of the 4 Young Men Cooking cookbooks. There's a print or digital version available in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmencooking.com. Carefully place in the red onions. Sauté for a couple of minutes. Add in the garlic and the toasted spices. Sauté for another couple of minutes. The onions, garlic, toasted spices, and chili oil will create an extraordinary base for this noodle dish. Add in the cabbage. Sauté for another couple of minutes. Add in the red bell pepper and give the pan a good stir. Cook the noodles to package instructions, in this case only about 2 minutes. Use chopsticks to give them a good stir to prevent them from sticking. Drain out the noodles and add to the pan. Green onions, about a tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, Saute for about a minute. The noodles and the crunchy veggies will be coated with a delicious combination of flavors. Plate the noodles. Sprinkle on some white sesame seeds to serve. You can now enjoy these extraordinary noodles with absolute confidence. This looks and smells amazing. This looks like a simple, humble noodle dish, but boy, are the flavors incredibly complex. Right from that first bite, you're welcomed with an extraordinary umami, a little bit of heat from the chili flakes, and this really delightful aroma from the chili oil. The toasted cumin and fennel seeds add this extraordinary fragrance, and in combination with the soy sauce, it creates such a unique flavor. There's some natural sweetness from the red bell pepper, a really nice fresh crunch from the cabbage, and of course that delightful elasticity from the noodles. The fresh green onions adds that pop of green color and that fresh bite without it being too pungent. The dark soy sauce wraps the entire dish in this beautiful caramel color. It's garlicky, it's salty, packed with umami, incredibly fragrant and aromatic. This simple noodle dish definitely has a place in that weekly rotation. Like I always say, it's simple, delicious recipes like this that makes it so much fun and exciting to cook and dine in at home. If you love easy, delicious recipes like I do, be sure to check out or pick up your copy of the 4 Young Men Cooking cookbooks. There is a print or digital version available in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmencooking.com. As always, if you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed to our email newsletter, that is the best way to stay notified so that we can cook together again in the next episode.